वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 7 का सेमेस्टर 2 सोशल साइंस चैप्टर नंबर 8 मेडिवल एग्री आर्किटेक्चर तो इसके सॉल्यूशन इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। इन फर्स्ट पॉइंट, इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज द सोमनाथ टेम्पल लोकेटेड? द आंसर इज सी, जूनागढ़। Second, what is the number of Jyotirlingas in India? The answer is D, 12. Third, on the bank of which river is the Dwarkadish temple located? The answer is B, Gomti. 4. How many steps you have to climb to reach the Dwarkadish temple? The answer is A, 80. Fifth, the Shikhar of the Dwarkadish temple rises to how many story? The answer is A, 6. 6. In which district is the Sun Temple of Modera located? The answer is D, Mahesana. 7. Which king constructed the Sun Temple of Modera? The answer is C, Bhimdev. 8. In which place is the Sun Temple of Gujarat located? The answer is Modera. 9. Where is the Gujarat is Rudra Mahalay located? The answer is A, Sidhpur. 10. In which district is Rudra Mahalay located? The answer is C, Patan. 11. Who started the construction of Rudra Mahalay at Siddhapur? The answer is D, Mulraj Solanki. 12. On which mountain is Jain pilgrim place Palitana located? The answer is A, Shatrunjay. 13. Which is the most sacred of Jain pilgrimage center? The answer is C, Shankeshwar. 14. Which Jali in Ahmedabad is world famous? The answer is A, Siddhi Sayyed Jali. 15. Where is Qutub Minar located? The answer is C, Delhi. 16. Who started the construction of Qutub Minar? The answer is C, Qutubuddin Aibak. 17. How many story building is Qutub Minar? The answer is D, 5. 18. Page number 70. 18 point. What is the ढाई दिन का झोपड़ा? The answer is A, B, a mosque. 19. Which mosque was built by Qutubuddin Aibak? The answer is A, ढाई दिन का झोपड़ा. 20. Which was the first mosque constructed in India? The answer is B, ढाई दिन का झोपड़ा. 21. By what other name is the Brihadeshwar temple known? The answer is A, Raja Rajeshwar temple. 22. Where is the Brihadeshwar temple situated? The answer is C, Thanjavur. The answer is C, Thanjavur. 23. Which Mughal emperor established new capital at Fatehpur Sikri? The answer is A, Akbar. 24. Which is India's tallest entrance door with dome? The answer is B. The answer is D, Buland Darwaza of Fatehpur Sikri. 25th, which is the most important architecture in Fatehpur Sikri? The answer is B, Jama Masjid. 26. Which Mughal emperor built Red Fort in Delhi? The answer is C, Shah Jahan. 27. Which Mughal emperor built at Taj Mahal? The answer is B, Akbar. 28. Where is Taj Mahal located? The answer is B, Agra. 29. Which Mughal architecture is considered as one of the 7 wonders of the world? The answer is D, Taj Mahal. Question 2. Filling the blanks with proper words or number in the following statement. In first point, the Somnath temple is at Prabhas Patan near Verawar. Second, the Somnath temple is of the Shaiva sect of Hindu religion. Third, the construction of the new Somnath temple was completed by the year 1951. Fourth, Somnath is one of the dash Jyotirlinga shrines of Lord Shiva. The answer is 12. Fifth, adjacent to the Dwarkadish temple is the Matha of Srimad Shankaracharya. Page number 71, 6 point. The Matha of Srimad Shankaracharya in Dwarka is known as the Sharda Pit. The answer is Sharda Pit. 7. The world famous dash temple of Modera is in Mahesana district. The answer is Sun. 8. The Sun temple at Modera has some relationship with the sun temple at dash in the East India? The answer is Konark. 9. The sun temple of Modera is located on the dash Tropic of Cancer. The answer is Tropic of Cancer. 10th, the construction of Rudra Mahalay at Siddhapur was completed by the Siddharaj Jai Singh. The answer is Siddharaj Jai Singh. 11. Palitana is the most scared pilgrimage center of the dash. The answer is Jain. 12. Jain temple at Palitana are on the dash mountain. The answer is Shatrunjay. 13. Shatrunjay is regarded as the place of the first Jain Tirthankar. The dash. The answer is Rushabdev. 14. The Qutub Minar in Delhi was expanded by dash. The answer is 5-storied building. 5-storied building. 15. Dash is the tallest minaret in India. The answer is Qutub Minar. 16. Dhai Din Ka Jhopda is a dash. The answer is mosque. 17. Dash is the first mosque constructed in India. The answer is Dhai Din Ka Jhopda. 18. In the Chola dynasty, the multi-storied pyramid like tower was called dash. The answer is Vimana. 19. The Brudeshwar temple was built by the great Chola king first in dash. The answer is Tanjore. 20. The dash in Fatehpur Sikri is the entrance of the Jama Masjid on the south side. The answer is Buland Darwaza. 21. The Chola king Rajeshwar built the dash temple. The answer is Brudeshwar. 22. The height of the Buland Darwaza is dash meters. The answer is 53. 23. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built dash as the forfeited family palace. The answer is Red Fort in Delhi. 24. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal in the memory of his Begum. The answer is Mumtaz Mahal. Question 3. True false है. In first point, the Somnath temple is near Junagadh at Prabhas Pathan in Verawar district. The answer is false. Second, the Sun temple at Modera is located on equator. The answer is false. Third point, page number 72. The Sun temple of Modera is a unique example of sculpture and architecture. The answer is true. Fourth, the Qutub Minar is a 7-story structure. The answer is false. Fifth, the Brudeshwar temple is an excellent work of the Chola Dravidian style of architecture. The answer is true. 6. The Red Fort in Delhi was built by Akbar. The answer is false. 7. The most important building of Fatehpur Sikri is Jama Masjid. The answer is true. 8. Taj Mahal is a world famous Maqbara. The answer is true. Question 4. Match the pair in section 1, section B. First, Somnath temple. The answer is 6. Prabhas Pathan. Second, Dwarkadish temple. The answer is 3rd. Gomti river. Third, Sun temple. The answer is 5th. Modera. Fourth, Rudra Mahalay. The answer is 1st. Siddhapur. 5th, Palitana. The answer is 2nd. Shatrunjay. Section A, B, second pairs. First, Siddhi Sayyad Jali. The answer is 4th. Lal Darwaja, Ahmedabad. Second, Qutub Minar. The answer is 1st, Delhi. Third, Dhai Din Ka Jhopda. The answer is 6, Mosque. Fourth, Brudeshwar temple. The answer is 3rd, Tanjore. Fifth, Buland Darwaza. The answer is 2nd, Fatehpur Sikri. Question 5. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. In first question, where is the Somnath temple? The answer is, the Somnath temple is located in Junagadh district at Prabhas Pathan near Verawar. Question 5 का question 2 है, which structures are within the Dwarkadish temple? The answer is, the Dwarkadish temple consists of the 4-armed deity of Lord Krishna, Garbhagriha and Amandapa a big prayer hall. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन थर्ड है, वेयर इज द माता ऑफ श्रीमद शंकराचार्य, बाय व्हाट नेम इज इट नोन? द आंसर इज द माता ऑफ श्रीमद शंकराचार्य इज adjacent to the Dwarkadish temple in Dwarka. It is known as Shraddhapit. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 4 है, वेयर इज द सन टेम्पल लोकेटेड इन गुजरात? द आंसर इज द सन टेम्पल इट इज लोकेटेड एट मोडेरा इन महिसाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन गुजरात. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 5 है, who built the sun temple at Modera when? The answer is the sun temple at Modera was built by the Solanki king Bhimdev first of Patan in 1026-1027 CE. Question 5 का question 6 है, where is the Rudra Mahalaya located in Gujarat? The answer is the Rudra Mahalaya is on the bank of river Saraswati at Siddhpur in Gujarat. Question 5 का question 7 है, what is Palitana? Where is it located? The answer is Palitana is the holy place of the Jain sect. It is located on Shatrunjay mountain which is 60 km from Bhavnagar. Question 5 का question 8 है, where is Siddhi Sayyad's Jali located? The answer is Siddhi Sayyad Jali is located in a mosque near Lal Darwaja in Ahmedabad. Question 5 का question 9 है, Siddhi Sayyad Jali was built by Siddhi Sayyad, a soldier in the army of शमसुद्दीन मुजाफर शाह थर्ड. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 10 है, विच इज द टॉलेस्ट minaret in India? How many storied has it? The answer is Qutub Minar in Delhi is the tallest minaret in India. It has 5 stories. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 11 है, which was the first mosque in India? Who built it? The answer is ढाई दिन का झोपड़ा was the first mosque in India. It was built by Qutubuddin Aibak. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 12 है, विच इज द टॉलेस्ट एंट्रेंस विथ डॉम इन इंडिया? द आंसर इज बुलंद दरवाजा एट फतेहपुर सिकरी इज द टॉलेस्ट एंट्रेंस विथ डॉम इन इंडिया. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 13 है, हु बिल्ड द रेड फोर्ट इन दिल्ली? द आंसर इज मुगल एम्परर शाहजहां बिल्ड द रेड फोर्ट इन दिल्ली. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 14 है, नेम द स्ट्रक्चर्स विद इन द रेड फोर्ट? द आंसर इज द दीवान खास एंड द रंग महल are the two most conspicuous building inside the Red Fort. The whole of public audience is another famous building within the Red Fort. Question 5 का question 15 है, in whose memory was Taj Mahal constructed by whom? The answer is the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal was constructed by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Page number 74, question 6, give information in brief on the following or write short notes on the following. In first, Somnath. The answer is Somnath temple is located at Prabhas Patan near Verawar in Junagadh, Saurashtra on the western coast of Gujarat. It is an ancient, grand and famous temple of the Shaiva sect of the Hindu religion. It is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga shrines of Lord Shiva in India. In place of the old temple, new Somnath temple was constructed in 1951. It symbolizes the might, devotion and culture of India. Question 6 का question 2 है, द्वारका और द्वारकाधीश temple. The answer is Dwarka is the famous pilgrim center of Vaishnav sect. It is located in Jamnagar on the west coast of Gujarat. The beautiful temple of Lord Dwarkadish is located on the northern bank of river Gomti. This temple was constructed in 13th century CE. In the Garbhagruha of the main temple, there is 1 meter tall black idol with 4 arms of Lord Krishna. The shikhar of the temple, Lord Krishna rises to 6th story. It has a height of 60 meters. On the opposite side is the 5-storied huge mandap having height of 35 meters. The dome is built on 60 pillars. Beautiful carving is done on the outer walls of the temple. The inner wall of the temple are plain and without any carving work. Question 6 का question 3rd है, रुद्र महालय. The answer is Rudra Mahalay is located on the bank of the river Saraswati in Siddhapur in Patan district of the North Gujarat. Although it is in Union state, it had one of the best grand and unique architecture. Its construction was started by Mulraj Solanki, the ruler of Patan. It was completed by Siddharaj Jai Singh. The temple was an architectural wonder with 3-storied shikhar, 1600 pillars, 12 entrance door, central mandap and porches on the east, north and south and sanctum in the west. Today only 4 pillars and column have survived. These give ideas of the beauty and grandeur of the Rudra Mahalay. Question 6 का question 4 है Siddhi Sayyad Jali. The answer is Siddhi Sayyad Jali is a carving in a mosque near Lal Darwaja in Ahmedabad. It was constructed by Siddhi Sayyad, a soldier of Sultan Shamuddin Muzaffar Shah III. There are 2 world famous windows carved on the stone wall of the mosque. Tangent branches of a tree are carved on one window and the geometrical designs on the second window. Question 6 का question 5 है फतेहपुर सिकरी और बुलंद दरवाजा of फतेहपुर सिकरी. The answer is the Mughal Emperor Akbar has built the new capital city Fatehpur Sikri near Agra on the mountain of Sikri in the memory of the Sufi saint Salim Chishti. The most important building of Fatehpur Sikri is Jama Masjid. The Buland Darwaza is the entrance on its south wall. It rises to a height of 55 meters. It is the tallest dome entrance in India. Jodhabai's Mahal is inside the Buland Darwaza. Question 6 का question 6 है the Red Fort. The answer is the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built Red Fort in Delhi as the fortified family place. Diwan-e-Am, Diwan-e-Khas, Moti Masjid and Hayat Bakhsh Bagh and Rang Mahal are the important structure within the Red Fort. Question 6 का question 7 है. Question 6 का question 7 है Taj Mahal. The answer is the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal on the bank of river Yamuna in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. It is a grand structure in white marble. The entrance to Taj Mahal is attractive. At the center of the entrance to Taj Mahal is a dome and beneath the dome is the tomb of Mumtaz Mahal. It is regarded as the finest example of Mughal architecture. The carving work is minute and delicate. The Taj Mahal is widely recognized as the jewel of Muslim art in India. It has secured a place among the 7 wonders of the वर्ल्ड. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यहीं पे खत्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.